Plug in the power cord. Plug the printer power cord into the round socket. The Merco USB port is used to connect the instrument. Now turn on the instrument. Turn on the computer. Double-click the software icon. Preheat for 5 minutes. After turning on the machine for the first time every day, test it with the pure silver calibrate sample. The CPS is around 30,000. The testing result is 99.99 silver. Then it can be used normally. If the result is not 99.99 silver, we need to do gain adjust. Don't move the calibration sample when you are doing gain adjust. After a few minutes, it shows correction complete. Then we can test samples. Let's test a ring. Put the ring on the test position. Please note that the sample should be placed within the central circle. Choose a UAGX curve. Click the test button. You can name this test here. If you don't need to name it, click OK and select Overwrite. We'll get the result in 60 seconds. It is a 24-karat ring. Let's test a bracelet. It is a 18-karat bracelet. Click Print button. Choose Excel report by template. The template select is POS 58 Dapper. Select printer POS 58 printer. Click Print. The thermal printer prints out the test report. Or open virtual keyboard. Click Print button. Choose another template like a UAGX by manual select. Select printer, choose Microsoft Print to PDF. A PDF report will be produced. You can name the report and save to a computer folder. Find the folder and open the report. There has a tool folder on the desktop. There are some remote softwares in it. Our engineers can assist remotely via these softwares. Shut down the software first. Shut down the computer. Finally, turn off the instrument power. Thanks for watching.